With the continuation of our previous video, we shall discuss on the next topic of the same lesson, 4-digit numbers, children. The next topic that we will be learning here is ordering of numbers. What is ordering of numbers? It means comparing of numbers. There are only two types of comparing, smaller and greater. So here, how can you find out if a number is greater than another? For that, you have to compare the numbers, which is called as also ordering of numbers. First example they have given here, there is a 4-digit number and a 3-digit number. Whenever we find that there are 4-digit number and a 3-digit number, it's obvious that always the 4-digit number is greater than a 3-digit number. So if you place the numbers one below the other, it becomes easier to compare them. So here they have placed it one below the other, 3892 and 991. So it's very easy to compare because one is 4-digit number, one is 3-digit number. So 3892 is greater than 991. The second example, here compare 8326 and 5810. Both numbers have 4 digits. You can see that both have 4 digits. Compare the digit in the thousands place. Now you have to take the thousands place. 8 in the thousand place, 5 in the thousand place. Here they have given, which is marked in red. So then we can see that 8 is bigger than 5. So 8326 is bigger than 5810. The third type is compare 8326 and 8213. The digits in the thousands place are the same. You can see that both the digits in the thousand place are 8. Compare the digits in the hundreds place. So take the next place value, which is hundreds, and then you can see that here it is 300, but here it is 200. So 3 is bigger than 2. Therefore, 8326 is bigger than 8213. And the final comparison is 8326 and 8385. In this case, we can see that the thousands and hundreds place have the same numbers. Both the place values have the same numbers, 8326, 8385. In this case, we take the next place, that is the tens place, wherein 2 is smaller than 8. Therefore, 8326 is smaller than 8385. So, if we remember these 4 rules while comparing or ordering of numbers from small to big or big to small, or even to find out which is greater or smaller, it is very easy to do the exercise. As the first one says, if there is 4-digit number and a 3-digit number, 4-digit number is bigger. In the second one, we compare the thousands place value, and whichever is bigger, we consider it to be the biggest number. And in the third rule, we see that the thousand place is same, but the hundreds place are different. Again, we compare the place value and write as greater or smaller. Finally, there are 2 place values which has same numbers, but the third place value has different numbers. So we compare the third place value and write the number which is bigger or smaller. To understand better, we shall continue with an exercise. The first one, we shall do it in the textbook. Fill in the correct symbol with smaller than or greater than. 3149, 3448. 3 both have 3 in the thousands place. So we compare with the hundreds place. One is smaller than 4. So 3149 is smaller than is smaller than 3448. So we write it as smaller than. The next one, 4807. Here also the next number has the 4 in the same place value. So we see to the second place value, which is in hundreds place. 8 is bigger than 0. So 4807 is bigger than or greater than 4078. The next one, 5308 and 2441. Here the place value in the thousands place itself, we can compare that 5 is bigger than 2. So 5308 is greater or bigger than 2441. The next one, 4705 and 5681. 4000 is smaller than 5000. So smaller than. The next one, 6000 and 2000 place value. We can see that 6 is bigger than 2. So bigger than. 4000 and here 5000. So 4000 is smaller than 5000. Here we have same place value in the thousands place, but change in the hundreds place. Here it is 2 and here it is 3. So 3 is bigger. 7286 is smaller than 7305. The next one, we can find that thousands place is same, hundreds place is same. Again, tens place is also same. But in ones place we can see 1 and 5. 5 is bigger. So we write 8391 is smaller than 8395. Finally, here it is 4005. Here it is 5004. So 4000 is smaller than 5000. So we write this. The next one, put a tick on the greatest number and a cross mark or an X mark on the smallest number. In these 4 numbers or digits, which is the biggest one or greatest one, we put a tick mark. So here it is 800, here 1000, here 9000, here 600. So this is the biggest number. We put the greatest number, tick mark on 9990, and the smallest is 679. So we put a X mark or a into mark on 679. The next one, 1300 is bigger, 1066 is small, 7400, we have 7 and 4 in all the numbers. Thousands place and hundreds place have all same numbers. So we compare it with the tens place. Here 7 is bigger. So we use tick mark for this number. And we have 2 same. So we use the tens place wherein 0. This is the smallest number. Then we have 4 digits, 2 3 digits and 1 2 digit. So the 2 digit is the least or smallest. We put the into mark, wrong mark. This is highest or greatest. We put tick mark. Then we have 9305, 9315. So this is bigger and a 3-digit number, so smallest. Here 3-digit number, smallest. 7000 is biggest or greatest. Shall we turn the page, children? In this main, we are going to arrange the given numbers in decreasing order. Decreasing order is descending order from top to bottom. That is from highest number to lowest number. So we have to first find out which is highest, and chronologically we have to make it to the lowest number. So shall we start, children? 9965, 9325, 5200, 239, 3,259. The next one, 8,025, 5,820, 2,085, 825. So by this we have finished the decreasing order, that is from biggest to smallest. The next form is arrange in increasing order of numbers or ascending order from small to big. Shall we start? So this is numbers that comes in the ascending order. Have you all finished it, children? To continue forming greatest and smallest numbers. Here they have given 4 digits. 9, 4, 6, 2. To form the greatest number, we start with 9. 9 and then comes 6, then 4, then 2. So 9,642. Smallest number will be the vice versa, opposite of it. 2, 4, 6, 9, 2,469. But when we have a 0, how do we arrange it? 5, 7, 2 and 0. 7 is the biggest, so 7,520 is the greatest number. But while arranging it in the next form, smallest number, we make it as 0257, which is a wrong form. We shouldn't be using it in this way, 0257. Since we have to make a 4-digit number, we use it as 2. The 0 comes next, 5, 7. Shall we continue with an exercise, children? Yes. 3, 9, 8, 4. The greatest number will be 9, 8, 4, 3. The smallest will be the opposite side. 3, 4, 8, 9. Turn the page, children. 9, 6, 5, 0. But here we shall not start with 0. We shall start with 5. Then comes 0, 6, 9. 9, 8, 3, 0. 3, 0, 8, 9. 6, 5, 4, 2, 2, 4, 5, 6. 7, 6, 4, 1, 1, 4, 6, 7. Now in this case we have 2 zeros. How do we form here? 9, 6, 0, 0. But here we use 6 first. So 6, 0, 0, 9. Okay? Yes. By this we have finished forming of the greatest number and the smallest number.